Stratovolcanoes versus Shield Volcanoes by Julia Constantino and Macy Wenning.
Volcanoes are mountainous regions that spew lava. They're made from either divergent or convergent plate boundaries, as well as hotspots. The timing of eruptions can vary drastically, and they can be very explosive or more tame, and they often cause earthquakes when they erupt. Most of the time you think about a volcano, you think about a stratovolcano, also known as a composite volcano. These are the volcanoes that are steeply sloped into a tall point that generate extremely explosive eruptions. These eruptions are composed of more viscous lava, so lava that flows slower, which contributes to the steeper slopes. Stratovolcano eruptions typically have a larger amount of pyroclastics, or fragments of exploded rock and ash material. These volcanoes are most commonly formed by the subduction of tectonic plates. One of the most well-known examples of a stratovolcano is Mount Fuji in Japan.
Shield volcanoes, on the other hand, typically have gentler slopes and a flatter shape that covers a larger area of ground. They also have less explosive eruptions, but they occur more frequently. These non-explosive eruptions cause layering of basalt because of the low viscosity flows. Shield volcanoes are generated by hotspots, which are plumes of hot material that rise up to the mantle, and this process, which occurs at thin areas in the mantle, along with tectonic movements, often result in chains of volcanoes, the most famous example being the Hawaiian island.
We constructed 2 baking soda volcanoes to demonstrate the differences. We constructed our stratovolcano to be taller and steeper. We used a smaller opening so the reaction would be more explosive. Lastly, we painted it gray to represent the newer lava flows.
We constructed our shield volcano to be flatter and wider. We used a larger opening to simulate a less explosive reaction. Lastly, we painted it green to represent the older lava flows.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.